Oh, oh shit, oh.
What's going on, guys? So I'm currently outside right now. I'm filming more dirt bike videos. I don't know if I said it on my snap or not, but I'm changing things. We're doing more dirt bike videos. So yeah, I'm about to go ride the dirt bike. If you guys want to see me ride dirt bikes with the boys and like Ben and all them guys, let me know. I might do a video with this thing. I got it out a couple days. This piece right here is well, my this right here is all broken stuff, so I gotta fix that. But yeah, I'm gonna probably take the 110 out, and my camera's about to die, so yeah, I'll take this out for a little bit and then I'll switch and I'll ride the 150. But I'm just gonna ride around, my first dirt bike video in a while, so we'll see how it goes. Should be good. Send it. Yo guys, I was literally filming the intro with my big camera and it died, so now I'm on this one. We're filming this thing. Dirt bikes for life, boys.
This thing needs fixed. I need to get this thing freaking fixed. This thing right here. This thing's fun. I'll make a video of that shortly. It is literally freezing out here. But this is kind of the videos I want to make right here. I should wear this, but I'm not, because I trust myself. So, what should I wear? The red ones, baby. Gotta wear the Honda ones. Alright, so we'll start off with this, baby. Let's just get them all running first. It's been a while. It definitely has. My cable's broke, so I can't watch TV, so. Might as well go out and rip around on a little 110 Kawasaki. Kidding, do I really have a hole there already? God, these boots. There it is. Little 110, baby. This bike's fun to like, I don't know if you guys can hear me very well. I don't have an, I need to get one of the photo cameras. Well, I'm in the woods. Oh my god. Alright, I'm naming this video Pitbike Hill Climb. Then you Pitbike Hill Climb. Here we go. Not supposed to be over here, but you know, it's alright, it's all good. Little bit of air, just a little bit. Little kicker up there. There it is. Alright. Alright, so what I was doing there, if you guys couldn't hear me, is I was hitting a mini jump right there, which there is a mini one right here. But now I'm gonna do the hill climb, because I'm gonna name this video the mini hill climb on the 110 in this corner right here. So we start it up, boys. Here we go. And everyone that watches my videos, here we go. I might put a timer on, I don't know though. Alright, ready? Here we go, here we go. Yeah, this bike needs a new air filter. Yo, Michael, if you watch this video, you should fix up your little XR80. Oh my god, dude, bring that thing to my house. That thing is so freaking funny. It's really funny. It's pretty old, so that thing will be fun to rip around on videos. I want to get a pit bike squad going. That would be freaking fun too. So yeah, that's what I want the videos to be. But yeah, here we go, round 2, mini hill climbs. Dude, I need to get a better approach on this thing. What if I take this thing wide and go up? Yeah. Round 3, mini hill climbs on pit bike, boys. Here we go. Oh shit, oh. Oh, the bike just freaking shut off on me, man. I got gas, just a little bit. Man, I was just running a couple mini hill climbs, you know, like really? Let me clarify something. You guys are probably going to go in the comments and say, hey, that's not a freaking hill climb. Okay, it's really not a hill climb. It's kind of like a berm up a hill. It is a berm up a hill. It's just a little steep. That's why I'm calling it a hill climb. Because this little pit bike is pretty small. So it actually is pretty hard to get up this hill. The 150, if I get that out today. Which I might, I don't know yet. I might just name this the mini pit bike, or the mini hill climb on pit bike. Alright, this is probably going to be my last hill climb, so this is my last mini hill climb on the pit bike for today. Circuit exhaust on this thing. If you guys are wondering, it's a pro circuit. Alright, here we go. Okay, so actually I'm going to hit this little kicker, or this little hill kicker right here. It's really nothing much, but actually I'll hit this and I'll try to hit that one back there. That one's a little bigger, so I'll attempt that, and then yeah, that'll probably be the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This is my first dirt bike video in a while, so I want to see a video with this. I can probably find people that have them. We can like race them and stuff. So yeah. Sorry, I've been gone for like 2 weeks. Had no ideas. Been busy. So snowboarding videos are gonna be pretty dope too. So hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah. Other than that, stay tuned for the next video, which will probably be, I'm going to Busch Gardens this weekend. So stay tuned for that. I don't know. I might be filming it or I might not be. I'll take my GoPros just in case. But peace out, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.